to start seeing me as a member of this family.
Listen, me seeing you as a family member will never happen. And I'm so close to kicking you out of this house right now.
Princess, I have to see me as a member of this family because I have come to stay.
What did you say?
I have come to stay.
Let me see you inside this room again. She really thought that I would welcome her. She opened her mouth and told me that I should welcome her as a family. Let us come back again. Nonsense.